Hi, Kerry here from MyCloud Bookkeeping. Do you have the situation where you would like to add other users to your QuickBooks file? Perhaps you have salespeople, you'd like to have them entering sales, or you might want someone else to help you with your month-end reconciliations. And of course, there's also your accountant. If they have access at the year end, makes it a lot easier to prepare those income tax returns. You'll want to think carefully about what level of access you give to each user, and we'll walk through that here today. So to add a user, you pop up here to the gear icon at the top right and you click Manage Users. And then you simply add your user, so you'll decide if they're just going to be a standard user or a company administrator where they can do and see everything. Or alternately, if you want someone to just look at reports or time tracking, you can select these. So we're going to go with the standard user and click Next. And then you can decide how much access even further drilled down you'd like them to have. So perhaps they can access everything listed here, or maybe you want them to only be working with customers, perhaps a salesperson, or maybe it's an AP clerk and you want them to only be with suppliers, or you're just happy to give them access to everything here. Then you click Next. Then you decide if you want them to be able to do what we're doing right now, add, edit, and remove users, and typically that would be no. You normally wouldn't want somebody who's not an administrator to be able to edit information or manage your subscriptions. Now, obviously, if you're setting up an administrator, they would have access to all of these things. You click Next, put their name and their email. Now, this is probably not going to work. Let's see, we'll have Anna, Banana, it's a bit strange, and Anna@gmail.com. I'm pretty sure we're going to get a message to say you cannot add a user in a sample company. Let's see. Yep, unexpected. That would be because we're in the sample company. Once you've done an invitation, normally you click Save, they will become a user and they'll be listed across here. Now, if you're wanting to add an accountant or an accounting firm, like say you want me to do some work on your file, you click up here at the Accounting Firms tab, and then you just type in the email address that your accountant will give you. It won't always be their regular email address, so just do check, and then you click Invite. Whoops, here we go, Invite. But once again, we're probably going to get a message on this one. Oh gosh, it looks like I've invited me. Ha, there we go. Normally this is not going to happen. Your accountant will just get their invitation and then they can work on your books. Now, if you did have a list of people here, you would be able to, there's a box here, Action, where you can delete them if you wish or change their permissions or whatever, edit those. And that would once again just all show up on this box here. And if you're in your QuickBooks, you'll be able to see that. So hopefully that helped. And if there's anything else you'd like to know about, make a note, and my next video could be for you. Check out my month-end checklist. It'll help you to manage your business on an ongoing basis. And click like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers.